Yes, bicyclic compounds. Compounds consisting more than one rings are said to be the bicyclic compounds. And in these, bicyclic compounds can be present in two varieties. One variety of bicyclic compounds here we are discussing. In this case, what happens is those two cycles are connected by sharing minimum two carbon atoms as a common property. Such kind of cyclic compounds, naming related discussion now here we are making. Whereas the minimum cyclic compound is propane system. Here this side you can look one propane and this side you can look the another propane. These two propanes are having a common property of two carbon atoms. So therefore such kind of bicyclic compounds related naming related discussion we are doing here. Whereas those common carbon atoms present for the rings are known as bridgehead carbon atoms. And remaining carbon atoms present as a part of the ring which is not the common property are said to be bridged carbon atoms. Hence this particular top and bottom carbon atoms of this total 4 carbon atoms containing system are said to be the bridgehead carbon atom. Bridgehead carbon atom maximum forms 3 carbon-carbon connectivities and other one is definitely with the hydrogen. It doesn't form any of the connectivity with the other atom. And here this is the bridge carbon atom. One carbon bridge is there. Here also after leaving the bridgehead carbon atoms towards the right ring, there is one carbon atom, that is also one carbon bridge. Whereas in the mid there is no carbon atom. In that way the bridging can be present. And whereas another variety of bridge that may have one carbon atom in the middle, two carbon atoms are also can be present. Thus we are having varieties like, suppose if it is yes, this is also a bridged cyclic system. This is a 5-membered ring and this is 5-membered ring. Whereas the bridgehead carbon atoms are present in such a way that these of all are the common properties. Whereas these common properties in association in their connectivity, the bridgehead carbon atoms in the mid, there is one carbon atom. Such kind of connectivities can also be present. That is, here it is 2 carbon bridge, here it is 2 carbon bridge, here it is 1 carbon bridge, and there are 2 common atoms for the rings. Those are said to be the bridgehead carbon atoms. While naming this particular bicyclo compounds, we start with a word that is bicyclo followed by, we will open a bracket, and in that, in the decrement order we will write the number of bridged carbon atoms. Like this, it is having number of bridged carbon atoms as 2, number of bridged carbon atoms as 2, number of bridged carbon atoms as 1, that is 2 comma 2 comma 1. Total carbon atoms except the bridges 2 plus 2 plus 1, that is 5, 5 plus remaining 2 are present as a bridged atoms, total 7. So therefore as that of alkane name is given, and if any substitutions are there, those substitution positions are indicated at the beginning as prefixes. And we will give a numbering, a system of numbering in such a way that we will start from the bridgehead carbons and we will proceed through the more number of bridged carbon atoms rings to the less number of bridged carbon atoms rings, and the highest number will come for the bridged atom which is having lesser number of carbon atoms. In that way the rotation is followed or cycle is followed starting from bridgehead carbon atom by covering atoms present in the large ring, and we proceeds through the other bridgehead carbon atom to the next level of carbons consisting ring system. Then we ends with the numbers, we ends with the carbons which are present on the minimum number of bridged atoms. Thus positions and their substitutions are written as prefixes. The name generally consisting of bicyclo followed by number of bridged carbon atoms, higher number of bridged carbon atoms, and the next lower number of bridged carbon atoms, and the least number of bridged carbon atoms in box followed by the total number of ringed carbon atoms in the form of corresponding alkane is the name generally given for the bicyclic compounds. Now we will go for the examples with minimum examples, maximum examples followed by substitutions and the non-substitutions. If any competition is there, then how to give the naming related to the bicyclic bridged compounds, let us have a discussion. Let us go for the minimum bicyclic system. That is, this is cyclobutane and this is also independently cyclobutane. Both are connected with one another. As per the rules are concerned, we designed a system to name the compound like this. It starts with one of the bridged atom here, and we will proceed because both are of same 1, 2, 3 followed by what 4. Whereas in naming, this is bicyclo consisting of total 4 carbon atoms. Hence the name should consisting in such a way that bicyclo doesn't have any kind of substitutions, followed by this bridged carbon atoms are, this is bridge head carbon atom, this is bridged carbon atoms are 1, and the other ring is also having bridged carbon atoms as 1, whereas in between these bridge head carbon atoms, at one side one carbon is present, other side one carbon atom is present, in between them along this bond there is no carbon atoms, 1 comma 1 comma 0. Total there are 2 carbon atoms which are connecting the bridge head carbon atoms. 2 plus bridge head carbon atoms are once again 2. 2 plus 2 will become 4. 4 implies butane is the name. 2 comma bicyclo 1 comma 1 comma 0. Butane is the name of the compound. Suppose if I am having on this particular species, I am having a substitution of methyl as a substitution here. Then how the name of the compound is present? Yes, numbering starts in such a way that 1, 2, 3. At second position methyl group is there, hence it is 2-methyl bicyclo 1 comma 1 comma 0 butane is the name. Suppose if I am having ethyl as a substitution, then name of the compound is, instead of methyl, this is 2-ethyl bicyclo 1 comma 1 comma 0 butane is the name. Suppose if methyl is present over here and ethyl is present over here, methyl is present over here, then how to name the compound? Yes, one position is second position, one position is fourth position, whereas naming here 2-methyl and 4-ethyl comes, but minimum alphabet should get the minimum number, hence the naming, otherwise numbering is 1, 2, 3 followed by 4. Hence the name of the compound is bicyclo 1 comma 1 comma 0 butane is correct, followed by substitution varies in such a way that will become 2-ethyl 4-methyl of bicyclo 1 comma 1 comma 0 butane is the name of the compound. Suppose if I am having here 2 methyls are there and here 1 ethyl is there. To validate the least sum rule, wherever the more substitutions are there, that has to get the minimum number. So therefore minimum number related naming is becomes is, if I give numbering like this 2, 3 followed by 4, then it is 2 comma 2 dimethyl 4 ethyl. So therefore that is 4 ethyl 2 comma 2 dimethyl bicyclo 1 comma 1 comma 0 butane is the name. In this way naming is present. Now let us go for the other examples where maximum bridge head carbon atoms, maximum bridged carbon atoms and the maximum substitutions are there. With this we will close. Yes, this is a bicyclic system, whereas in this bicyclic system as per rules, this bridged carbon atoms are 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Maximum number of carbon atoms are there. And the next bridged carbon atoms in this ring between the bridge head carbon atoms 1, 2, 3 are there. And another bridge is there. Maximum 2 are possible. So the minimum possible, otherwise the maximum possible carbon atoms between the bridge edges, the least minimum possible are 2. This is the 2. Whereas while numbering we have to start from 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Wherever the maximum number of bridge carbon atoms are there, from the bridge head carbon atom we have to start the numbering. You may start from here, you may start from here. As per the substitutions, to give the minimum number on this ring, we have to start from one end. That is, priority bridge head carbon atom is decided by that way. And we have to extend that one to the next number of carbon atoms, that is 7, 8 and 9. Then we have to extend our numbering to the least bridge head carbon atoms containing system like this. Hence, name of this compound will become bicyclo and here 1, 2, 3, 4 are there, 4 comma, 1, 2, 3 are there, 2 comma, and there are 2 are there, 2 followed by 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 followed by here 2. So therefore that is total is undecane. This is the name of the compound. In that way naming of bicyclic compounds can be present. Suppose if it is having substitution, if I feel that if I am having substitution of methyl over here, then priority end will changes. This is not the priority end. We have to start from here. So therefore this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 5 and this is 6. Hence the name of the compound is 2-methyl 2-methyl bicyclo 4, 3, 2 undecane is the name. Suppose if it is having another substitution, that is ethyl over here, then name of the compound and numbering will be present in such a way that 6 followed by this will be 7, this will be 8 and 9, 10 and 11 is present like that. Hence the name of the compound is 7-ethyl 2-methyl bicyclo 4, 3, 2 undecane is the name. Suppose if it is having methyl is the substitution here, then suppose methyl is substitution here, then we have to give numbering as 10 for this, 11 for this, hence it will becomes 7-ethyl 10-methyl, otherwise 2, 10 dimethyl 7-ethyl 2, 10 dimethyl bicyclo 4, 3, 2 undecane is the name. Spiro compounds, the cyclic systems connected by one common carbon atom in between them are said to be the spiro compounds. Suppose if it is my cyclopropane system and another cyclopropane is present in such a way that both are joined to one another by one carbon atom in common, such kind of cyclic compounds are said to be spiro compounds. While naming of the spiro compounds, there we have to follow other rules which are not for the those bicyclic to bridgehead carbon atom rules. Here we have to start from the minimum bridgehead carbon atoms ring, and we have to start from the bridge carbon atoms, not from the bridgehead carbon atoms. While naming, numbering, this will be 1, this will be 2, followed by the junction carbon atom in continuation, followed by we have to go for the other carbon atom. This should be the minimum carbon atoms containing ring. This is next is maximum. In competition we have to go in such a way, whereas substitution has to be continued in such a way that wherever the substitution is there, that should get the minimum. In 1 and 2, this may be 1, this may be 2, or this may be 1, this may be 2. That is decided by as per the substitution. And after ending of 1, 2, 3 here, in 4 and 5 competition occurs. Wherever substitution is there, that carbon atom should get the minimum number. In that way, numbering will be given for the carbon atoms present in the spiro compounds. While naming, here that starts with spiro a word, followed by 2 varieties of bridgehead carbon atoms are there. Minimum is 2 here, and next is also 2. We have to start with minimum bridgehead to maximum bridgehead, only 2 varieties, followed by corresponding alkane name is given. In that way, naming is present. And here it is spiro 2, 2, butane is the name. Spiro 2, 2, pentane is the name for this compound. Whereas this particular name is, here it is consisting 3 carbon atoms, 3, and here it is consisting 4 carbon atoms, 3, 4, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus the spiro atom 8, that is octane is the name for this compound. Like this, in case of spiro compounds, we have to start with the bridged carbon atoms of the minimum carbons consisting ring, and we will extend towards the spiro atom. We enters to the maximum bridge carbon atoms containing second ring, and as per the substitutions we have to give the importance for the numbering. Thus the naming is prefixes followed by starts with spiro word. In the box there are 2 integer values, whereas we will start with the minimum integer to maximum integer. This number indicates the bridged atoms or the spiro atoms of minimum ring to the maximum ring, followed by total number of carbon atoms in the ring system in the form of corresponding alkane name. Suppose let us go for the naming of this compound. We are starting from the minimum bridge head carbon atom, that is minimum bridge carbons are 3. So therefore this number is having substitution here 1, 2, 3 as the name. Similarly, we have to extend towards the bridge head carbon atom, that is number as 4, followed by, in order to provide minimum number to this, we have to continue. Minimum number is 5 and 6 in this direction, else it will be 7. So in this way numbering is present. See here, in this ring there is competition between 1 and 3. 2 is always same, whereas one carbon atom should become 1 has 3, that is decided if competition is there in the form of substituents. Similarly, this 5 and 8 and 7 and 6 are our competition. Wherever the substitution is there, to that side we have to give the minimum number. 5, 6, 7, 8 is proceeding in such a way that substituted carbon atom should get the minimum number. 1, 2, 3 is proceeded in such a way that the substitution should get the minimum number, that is highest priority. As for that, if I write, it is having the name as 6-ethyl, followed by 2-methyl, spiro, consisting of minimum bridged atoms 3, maximum bridged atoms 4, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus spiro atom 8, octane is the name. Like this, here we are covering all varieties. In between rings, if competition is there, minimum sized ring is selected first while numbering. From bridge carbon atoms we have to start and we have to proceed to the spiro atom. Then we have to enter into the next carbon atom, next chain of the carbons, next ring of the carbons. Whereas priority is given in such a way that the substituted should get the maximum priority. Then substitutions as prefixes are written in the beginning, followed by with a word spiro in the box in continuation with the number of bridged carbon atoms from lower number to higher number, followed by alkane as the prefix. Alkane as the suffix, we will end the names of the spiro compounds. We practice the spiro compounds as well as the bicyclic compounds with the examples known at your material. If you feel any difficulties, you can come for the discussion in the WhatsApp.